Welcome to my YouTube channel. In this channel I will be posting Discord.py tutorials. I hope this video helps. So, to make a Discord bot without any code, you need to go to Discord developer portal. Click on Applications. Click New Application and give a name for your bot. Go to the Bot section. Click Add Bot. Now, go to OAuth 2. Select the bot option and add some permissions that you think your bot will need.
You can change them.
Click Copy Link and paste it in your browser. Now, the coding part. Follow all of my steps. Create an account on Repl.it. The link will be in the description. So will the code be. Copy your token. Do not share it to anyone. As you can see, the bot is now ready. It is also online. And that's how to make a Discord bot on Repl.it Discord.py. I hope this helps and please make sure to subscribe for future content. Next video I will be starting on commands.